Hey, how you doing? So, have you been seeking for a way to pay your Best Buy credit cards online? A lot of people have been seeking on ways to pay their Best Buy credit card bills to fulfill their financial obligations for purchases made using the card. Now, when you use a credit card to buy goods or services, then you need to know that you're essentially borrowing money from the card issuer. In this case, we are talking about the Citibank. All right. So the amount you spend accumulates as a balance on your credit card account, and whereby you need to be repaid according to the terms and condition outlined in your card. That is why several people have been looking for a way whereby they can be able to pay off the debts on their Best Buy credit card from the Citibank. Okay. And today I'm gonna be going ahead to discuss about this and give you some points that is gonna discuss about the ways that you can pay off your credit card debt, your Best Buy credit card debt online. Okay, so now let's get straight to the tutorial and let's dive deep and let's dive in. Now the first one is you need to know the payment method, because Best Buy credit card holders have various options to make payments, including online, by phone, and through the Citibank mobile application. Okay, or you can also use by mail or at the branch, but this flexibility accommodates different preferences and situations. Okay, so it makes it convenient for card holders to manage their payment. Now, talking about the online payment aspect, then you need to know that making a payment online involves you logging into your Best Buy credit card account on the designated website. Okay, and you can navigate to make a payment section. All right, and this method allows you for quick and easy payment from the comfort of your home or anywhere with internet access. So you can easily use the the Best Buy credit card account, all right, whereby you log in, and after you log in, you navigate to the making payment section, and from there you can easily make payment. Another way is, if you're not able to use the the online method, you can use the phone payment method, whereby you can make payment over the phone by calling the customer service number, okay, which is being given to you. Okay, or you can go to Google and type in Best Buy credit card customer service number. I don't want to put it on the screen here because from time to time changes do happen, so you can go ahead and also call your customer service number and follow the prompt to enter your card information. Okay, so this option may be suitable for those who prefer to speak with a representative, or in case you're unable to access the internet at the moment. Okay, also mobile app payment, and you can also utilize the Citibank mobile application. So you, as a card holder, you can log into the account and select the Best Buy credit card, and you can initiate a payment directly from your smartphone or your tablet. So this option offers added convenience for users who prefer managing their finances on mobile devices. Okay, talking about another method that you can use to pay is the mail payment. So you can send the payments by mail, which involves mailing a check or money order to a specific address which is provided by the Citibank. So you, as a card holder, you must ensure to include your credit card number on the payment, and you need to send it early enough to arrive by the due date to avoid any late fees or penalties. Okay, timely payment is another one, because it's very crucial to send payment early enough to arrive by the due date listed on the billing statement. So you need to know that late payments can result in fees, increased interest charges, and negative impact on your credit score. So it's always essential that you plan ahead and avoid any missing deadlines. Okay, have you heard about the branch payment also? So for those who prefer in-person transactions, then payments can be made at any Citibank branch during regular business hours. Okay, so this option provides a personal touch and allows for face-to-face interaction with any of their bank staff in case it's been needed. Okay, automatic payment is also what some people use, because you can set up automatic payment in a convenient way to ensure timely payment without the need for mutual intervention. Okay, so you, as a cardholder, you can ensure recurring payments just to be deducted automatically from your bank account on the due date. So this provides you peace of mind and reducing the risk of missing payments. In case you use the Best Buy from time to time, then this is a good one that you can consider. And in case you want to stop it, you can easily go to the bank, okay, or possibly use your mobile app to stop this. Okay, and I hope you also understand the billing cycle, because several people have asked me regarding the billing cycle. So it is important that for managing credit card payment effectively, the closing date marks the end of the billing period. So after which the billing statement is compiled, so including all the charges and payments made during that period. So everything is compiled, at the end of each billing period. Okay, so billing statement is also another thing, because the billing statement provides a summary of all transactions and charges incurred during the billing cycle, as well as any payment made. So reviewing the statements regularly, it helps you as a card holder to track your spending and identify any discrepancies, and it also helps you to ensure any accuracy in your account activity. Okay, talking about the minimum payment, paying at least the minimum amount required by the due date is essential for maintaining the account in good standing. So, and failing to meet this requirement can lead to late fees, increased interest charges, and also negative impact on your credit score. Okay, and the credit score impact, timely payment plays a significant role, so you need to make sure that you pay early in building and maintaining your good excellent credit score. So a positive payment history, it helps you to demonstrate financial responsibility and reliability to lenders. So this can improve your credit worthiness and eligibility for future credit opportunities. Okay, always make sure that you pay early and don't involve in any late payment, because there are a lot of consequences in case you miss your payment deadline. Okay, so there are a lot of late fees, penalty, interest rates, and adverse effects on credit scores. So it's essential to prioritize timely payments to avoid these negative outcomes and preserve your financial health. Okay, and talking about the credit history importance, maintaining a positive credit history is crucial for obtaining favorable terms on future loans, mortgages, and credit accounts. So a lot of lenders use credit history to access the risk of extending credit to an individual. So demonstrating responsible payment behavior is key to securing desirable financing options. All right, so those are the things that I have to say regarding this, and possibly you are able to go ahead and make payments online. So there are a lot of ones, just like I told you. You can either use online, the phone, the mobile app, the mail, or you can go in person payment. So selecting the best method that works best for you, it helps you to streamline the payments process and promote financial responsibility. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, let me know. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.